Elizabeth Blackwell was indeed the first woman to earn a medical degree and become a licensed physician in the United States. She was born on February 3, 1821, in Bristol, England, and later moved to the United States with her family. Blackwell faced numerous challenges and discrimination in her pursuit of a medical career. She applied to multiple medical schools, and it was the Geneva Medical College in upstate New York that eventually accepted her application. Initially, the college's decision to admit Blackwell was met with ridicule and opposition from both faculty and students. However, she persevered and graduated with a medical degree in 1849, becoming the first woman to achieve this milestone. After obtaining her degree, Elizabeth Blackwell faced further obstacles in establishing her medical practice. Most hospitals and clinics refused to hire a female physician, and patients were often reluctant to seek medical treatment from a woman. Despite these difficulties, Blackwell was determined to make a difference in the medical field. In 1857, Elizabeth Blackwell co-founded the New York Infirmary for Indigent Women and Children, along with her sister Emily Blackwell and Dr. Marie Zakashevska. This institution provided medical care for those in need and also served as a training ground for women interested in pursuing careers in medicine. Elizabeth Blackwell's groundbreaking achievements paved the way for other women to enter the medical profession. She advocated for women's rights and gender equality throughout her life. In addition to her medical work, she was an active supporter of the suffrage movement and played a significant role in promoting women's access to education. Elizabeth Blackwell's legacy as the first female doctor in the United States remains an inspiration for aspiring women in the medical field and beyond. Her determination, resilience, and commitment to breaking gender barriers have had a lasting impact on the advancement of women in medicine.